In this tutorial series we will make a GTA style game inside of Unity. In this series we will cover many things like ammo system, car AI, car anti-exhaust system, car damage system, player movement system and all that stuff. This is the first part of tutorial series in which we will learn how to make player movement system. This game will be for Android. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel for latest videos. As you can see, I have completely empty scene, but we will not start from scratch. Yeah, we will not start from scratch. We will use a asset which is provided by Unity Asset Store. Its name is Unity Starter Asset. As you can see, its name is Starter Asset Third Person Character Controller, and it is free, completely free, and its size is 69.7 MB. And make sure you have 2020.3.0 Unity variant. To download this asset, I will give you a link in the description box below. So make sure to import it in your project and just go ahead to third person folder and go to scenes and play this scene. As you can see, it is third person controller here. We can play the game right now. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, I can walk around and also use joystick for movement. In your case it will not work. In your case the UI will not work, so make sure to click on event system and select all pointers. Also go to player armature and make sure to uncheck these two boxes. Also go to window and analysis, select input debugger and make sure you have selected similar touch input from mouse or pen. In this way it will work, otherwise it will not work for mobile. As you can see, I can walk around, also I can look here and there and jump around. And this is a cool asset. It is better to import or use this asset instead writing much more code. And what if we want to change this model? As you can see, it is not looking better and we don't want to use this model in this game. So I have imported a adventure creator character and let's see which one is looking better. Let's see which one is looking better. I think this is looking better, so or this one. Let's drag and drop it over here. So no, this is not looking better, so delete it, and I think this is looking better with mask. Yeah, we'll use this. Let's unpack prefab completely and also this one, unpack prefab completely and select our model and move it a little bit back and put it over here. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay, here it is looking cool. And let's drag and drop it over here and make sure to select the geometry and uncheck it and hide it. And let's see and make sure to select avatar and select our model. And let's see whether our game is working or not. So you can see it is working properly. We can walk around with this model and jump around, also move here and there, and it is cool. But what if we want to change these animations, because you can see its shoulders are not looking good with these animations and we don't want this. We want to make a professional system. So for this purpose I have downloaded some animations from Maximum 3D. Maximo 3D is a website where you can download animations for free. However, this video is not sponsored by Maximo 3D, but that is a cool website. You can go there and sign up and download animation what you want. Right click over here, create an empty folder and call it animations. Just open it up, and as you can see, and right click and import as you can see here, I have downloaded many animations, but right now we want one walking animation and an idle animation. I downloaded these all animations from Maximo 3D, so I will import these animations, and make sure, as you can see, I have imported, and make sure to select this humanoid and apply. Also humanoid and apply. I changed the idle animation because that was not looking good. Don't confuse here, and let me change the name first. I will tell you how I come to this window. So write the name idle animation, and let me tell you how I come to this window. So I come to this animator from this player. As you can see, I double click over here and come to here, and double click over here, and you can see this blend tree window. You can see this is idle animation, walk and run animations are connected to this one, and here we have to change the animation, and I will click on idle animation which I downloaded. Let's check whether it's working or not. As you can see, idle animation is working properly, and yeah, it's looking good, and I like it. But right now walking animation is not good, so I have to change that animation. So we'll change that animation. As you can see, it's not looking good. I again change the walk animation because that was not good, so make sure to make it humanoid, and again I will change its name. Before importing there, I will change its name. I will write name to walking animation. Apply. Let's change the walking animation. So let's see whether it's working or not. As you can see, walking animation is working properly, and oh, so we make a mistake. We have to change it to loop animations. Let's click over here and make sure to select the I think loop time, yes, and just apply. Let's play the game right now. As you can see, it's working properly, and we are not facing that problem again because animation is loop and it is looking really awesome. You can change animations which you like. You can download them from Maximo. However, I will give a link in the description box below for these animations. As you can see, we can move on chairs also, and yeah, all things are working properly. So I hope guys you enjoy the video, so make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.